Hey gang, in this video we're going to show you how to make a slip knot, aka how to attach the yarn to your needle and kick off your project like a pro. This is the very first stitch you'll make and it's the starting point for all your projects. To start, grab your yarn and loop it around your fingers. You'll cross the short end of yarn over the long end. Then reach through that loop and grab the short piece of yarn. Grab both yarn tails with your other hand, then pull up with the loop and down with the yarn tails. Voila, slip knot. Now pop that loop onto your needle and pull the short end of yarn to slide the knot up to the base of the needle. Keep it loose enough that it'll slide easily along your needle. Let's look at that one more time. You'll cross the short end of yarn over the long end to create a loop. Then pop your fingers through that loop and grab the short end of yarn. Secure both yarn tails with your other hand, then pull up with your left hand and down with your right to create the knot. Slip it onto your needle, then pull the short tail to slide your knot up to the base of your needle. Well done, you've nailed it. You know how to do a slip knot and now you're ready to start casting on.